A root and branch inquiry into the plight of Victoria's abused and neglected children has recommended sweeping changes to the child protection system. The long-awaited Cummins report has found the abuse of children is underreported, under-investigated and under-prosecuted, and thousands of young people continue to fall through the cracks.
It's a 900-page report with far-reaching implications for the thousands of Victorian children who are abused or neglected.
The failures of the child protection system over the past decade in Victoria have been to this state's shame.
Retired Supreme Court Judge Philip Cummins led the year-long inquiry, and the findings are damning. 1 in 4 children who were born last year are expected to be the subject of at least one child protection report by the time they turn 18, while more than 2,000 children have been the subject of more than 10 reports in their lifetime.
We did this report because we knew that there was a crisis in child protection and we knew it had to change.
There are 90 recommendations, including a new Commissioner for Children and Young People who can report directly to Parliament, the extension of mandatory reporting requirements to include childcare workers, a formal investigation into the way churches respond to child abuse, and the creation of a new internet grooming offence, as well as measures to arrest the decline in foster carers and remove the barriers for the adoption of children who can't be reunited with their families. The government's not committing to any of those yet.
There's not going to be any quick fixes. There are things clearly to do now. There are things that need some more work and that we need to work through in terms of how they're delivered.
Immediate measures include the recruitment of an extra 42 child protection workers and a new ministerial committee to develop the long-term response to the report. Such an overhaul of the child protection system won't come cheap. The government's committed an extra $60 million over 4 years, which it describes as a down payment. But it won't say how much more funding it thinks is needed or how much more it's willing to spend.
We're looking forward to working with government to help prioritise and work out what the real costs are to meet the needs of children in care.
A huge task ahead. Frances Bell, ABC News, Melbourne.